Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube video. I'm XXTman or Tristan, and today we are playing Vehicle Simulator. I'm thinking, Tristan, use Vichle Jailbreak or Super Bomb Survival or other games besides Vehicle Simulator. Well, I've got hooked onto this game, and if you don't know, I have $100,000. And you're thinking, why are you at this shop? Why did you go to the auto shop? Well, if I could get out of my car, that'd be great. So we go in here. This is a bunch of supercars. I was saving up for this one, but sorry guys. I'm at the supercar dealership. It's somewhere out of the city. You bring up your phone, and then there should be like something that says map. Buying me a Dodge Viper and bright black. I have 28,000. So now I got a really fast car. So guys, that sound is so epic. Whoa, that's actually it's fast. Well, this is gonna be a short video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.